The latest release of After Effects makes it easier than ever to streamline your design workflow. New drop-down menu expression controls enable you to change layer properties with easy-to-read menus. Just like the slider, checkbox, and color controls, they work inside your compositions, with master properties, and with motion graphics templates, giving you and your colleagues a streamlined graphics editing experience. Create as many menu entries as you like, then link your expressions to them to select from different options faster than ever. And expressions get more powerful with new text style methods. Change font, leading and tracking, capitalization, and more dynamically. Save style presets and reuse your look again and again. Combine drop-down menus with text style expressions and control the text formatting of multiple layers or even compositions in one place. Then export as a motion graphics template for use in Premiere Pro. It's never been easier for editors to customize your designs. When you need to deliver more motion graphics faster, After Effects is ready.